Do you have plain Halloween decorations laying around like the styrofoam skull and you want to turn them into less plain Halloween decorations? Today I'm going to show you how I did that using these Halloween glowing eyes. The seller did send these to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. In the box, you are going to have 2 remotes, 4 sets of glowing eyes, and the instruction manual. Now, each set of glowing eyes does require 3 AA batteries that are not included. I happen to have a styrofoam skull laying around, so I'm going to doll it up. I need a poker. I'm going to use this straight little poker and poke holes in, and then we're going to feed the eyes through. I gradually widened the holes because the poker did not make a large enough hole to slide the eyes in. I wound up going all the way up to a 4.5 millimeter hex T-wrench to make the hole big enough for the lights to come through. Because the length of the skull was so long, I had to actually thread through a string and then push it through the center of the 2 wires that come out of the one light, and then push it through the other side and use that to pull the light through the hole that I just made. You could always add just a touch of hot glue to get it to stay in there, but this hole was pretty perfect for the size of the light. Next, you're going to put your batteries in the battery pack and then go ahead and turn them on. They look so cool. And the remote control, there's a bunch of preset modes. Let me show you what they do. Each of the modes has a different lighting effect. Number 4 was a little bit strange to me. I thought that maybe I had turned it off, but what this does is it goes dark for quite a while and then it comes back on. And then it goes dark again. As if these couldn't get any better, they are also dimmable. I love these so much.